I am prepared for rain, and I am prepared for all kinds of goodness with my Big O here from QT. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at, this is IAA. This is a Nissan. That's a beautiful Mercedes I was looking at until I saw the damage right here. Look at that. It may not be as bad as I thought. We're here to find another car to add to the channel, maybe find something for you to park in your front yard. So let's get to work. We're starting things off great here. 2015 Lexus IS250 all-wheel drive, and the interior looks gorgeous. Exterior has a couple of problems. As you can see, I believe someone has painted the bumper. This just does not seem to be, factory original. They didn't rough it up. F-type or F-Sport right there. Okay, we'll have to check that out. This is the problem. It had a collision. Knocked the wheel right off. Look at the brakes on this thing. Look at that. So that's been sitting there for a minute or two. This is what you're going to have to repair. I can't even see if the control arm is damaged or anything like that. But yeah, get yourself a fender. Hood seems to be okay. You could reuse the bumper. I would probably, fill the hole right here and then get it professionally painted. Get rid of all the old paint and then paint it. Save yourself a couple $100, or just get another bumper. You can probably find them aftermarket everywhere. F-Sport badging on the side. Everything else looks great. Look at this wheel. These rims are gorgeous. I love the way this looks. Yep, all-wheel drive, F-Sport, Lexus, tinted windows. This is nice. This is really nice. So wait till you see the interior. Oh, she's pretty. She is a very pretty girl. Now, it is a little damp out here today. We got some drizzle going on. That is not going to dampen our spirits. We have a key. We have power. We have 161,000 miles. And we have the battery that does not want to do anything. So, doggone it. I really was hoping to start this thing, but she's not going to do it for us. One more time. Yep. Battery is dead. Look at the fancy push button menu right here. This is nice. The inside, this is beautiful. This burgundy almost leather with the black and the chrome look, the smoked chrome, I guess you could call that. This is nice. Windshield survived. You have a nice little moonroof right there. We'll fix this. There you go. Perfect. So this is run and drive. It's 161,000 miles, and it doesn't look to be that serious of a repair. Maybe we should look in the trunk. Oops, sorry. Pop the hood. See what she's hiding underneath. Here we go. Ooh. Well, I think she looks pretty good. We got a basic Duracell battery. An honest engine. I mean, it's nice and clean, but it hasn't been cleaned like they're hiding something. So this is kind of what you want to see when you're out looking for cars. It's just, what's it going to cost for this? The fender's not going to be that much, I don't think. You're probably going to need an alignment. I mean, it took the front spindle out. There's nothing there. Can you see? Woo! It knocked it out, and it's all-wheel drive, so hopefully it didn't mess up the front-wheel drive system with a CV axle and everything. But this looks good. There's an apple on the back windshield, which means somebody young probably owned her. Oh, a couple of dings right there. Took the paint right off. Big ding right here. Okay, here's the result of the accident. Ooh, it hit something red, like a big old truck. That's all right though. You're probably gonna get another rim. Oh, you've got Mobile One. That's good to see right there as well. So if you're interested in doing a little bit of work on a lovely all-wheel drive F-Sport Lexus, this could be the car for you. Look at this beauty right here. Now this loss type is listed as other, and you got to be careful because flooded vehicles are making their way north of Florida. This is a 2019 Acura TLX run and drive, so I'm not anticipating it's a flood vehicle, but a lot of times they list it as other. You know, when the owner lists the damage, they don't really know. I mean, it could be great, it could be a piece of crap. This looks gorgeous though. I love this. The TLX in red, a little bit of a ding right here. It's kind of hard to see because it's wet and it's dusty out here, and this can hide like hail damage and dings and everything, and maybe even, nope, that's just dirt. This is just dirt right here. So this is in really good shape. I love the front. That's beautiful. Okay, let's hop inside and see what she looks like. You want to go to the back or the front? Let's do the back seat first. Oh, this is the A spec. Look at the seat. This is gorgeous, red, and oh, I love this. This is really, really nice. Holy moly. I'm already getting dirty just looking up and rubbing up against these cars. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Smell test. No, she's not a flood. We have power. Uh-oh. Oh no, I don't see a key. Is there? Here's one right here. Sometimes I'll put it in the glove box for you. Okay, here we go. Give me a start, please, please, please. Oh, she sounds good. Look at this. We've got the Acura link going on. We have source for the radio. Oh my gosh. This is very nice. Okay, we'll put the key back here. Engine sounds amazing. I can't even really hear it. Okay, we have green. I don't know what this is. ACC and LKAS. Cruise mode is on. We are in park, 96,000 miles. That's a good looking instrument cluster. Quarter of a tank of gas. Oh my goodness. We have the heat on. We have heated seats. Yes, yes, yes. Do we go in gear? There, okay. Yeah, that's my bag right there. We go in reverse. We go into drive. I love this. I just really do. Okay, we're missing, that's different. We're missing our sun visors. Huh. We have a oil change. They took it to a tire shop to get the oil changed. Next service is at 95. We're at 96, so we're 1,000 miles over our oil change. Steering looks good, feels good. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I've always wanted like red interior. I really have. Well, the windshield wiper works. Looks brand new. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at these little sectionals they have right here. You can put all your groceries. It's gonna hold it down for you. I love this. Okay, so there is some dings. Maybe this, well, it would list it as hail, but there are some dings. Listen to the engine. You can't hear it. Here you go. 96,000 miles. This isn't moving at all. Oh my goodness. Way to go, Acura. Now I have heard people say watch out for Acura transmissions. I don't know about this one being so new. And really, 96,000 miles to me is pretty low. It is low these days. We got a good AAA battery from, it looks like 21. This look how easy it would be to do anything on the engine. Engine mount right there. Spark plugs. Intake right there. Exhaust right here. Alternator change, it's easy to get to. ABS system right there, you can do that in your sleep. Oh, this is nice. Okay, only one hood strut. And it works great. 2019 5-year-old Acura with 100,000 miles. I love this. I do. So let me know what you think about this one. It may go for more than I can spend or more than I want to spend. It's been a couple of good months on YouTube for me. So I have been able to purchase some very cool vehicles. I got my fingers crossed about one that I have wanted for a long, long time. I won the bidding. If the seller accepts it, wait till you see that red interior. It is like blindingly beautiful. Okay, but I like this. This is nice. Even the engine start and stop button is red. Oh, Mike, write this one down. Yes, sir. What do we say when we see a Corvette? Hello, gorgeous. Yeah, this is, if you're not afraid of a little, fiberglass work, this could be the car for you. The Vette for you. The damage is just right here. She took it on the chin, the side of the chin, I guess. The jaw is what I should be saying. And it's pretty severe. Look, you got some pieces hanging off right here. You have a broken upper control arm. You have the shock that has been shocked beyond repair. You got the little housing for it right there. You've got a lot of suspension work to do. This kind of messed up your wheel. It's kind of cracked right here. That's the plastic part. I don't think I would try to save the tire because it looked kind of almost dry rotted right there. But other than all of that damage, she's a good looking Corvette. I don't see any cracks. Maybe there's a crack in the windshield. It's just hard to find when everything is wet like this. Oh, I don't think that's a good sign. I think the door should probably open without the top part moving. Oh no, can we even get in? Or has she been locked? Locked and loaded. I like the big butts right here. They're nice, very, very nice. I should probably tell you what it is. I don't even know myself. It's a 2001 Chevy Corvette. Let's see if we can open this one. Here we go. Nice. Ooh, black over black. This is gorgeous. And she is a stick shift. Thank you very much. Let's see if we can get in. Here we go. There it is. Okay. Someone's been poking around. I'll show you in just a minute here. But she is, ooh, kind of a mess. You can see some of the damage right here too. So you're gonna have to be good with some fiberglass. And here's where someone has been poking around. Doggone it. Yeah. This lower fascia has been removed. We got some pieces that are missing right here. We do have a key. I don't think there's any way. Oh, well, we do have an ignition, but there's no power. Even if no, she's not a stick shift. Mike, what are you talking about? She's an automatic, unless we did some kind of a time shift right here. I could have sworn I saw a different stick shift, but yeah, she's a goner. She is a goner, but you know what? A little bit of work, you could bring her back if she wanted to be brought back. The seats, not the most comfortable. This is kind of like somebody I know. Okay, so the windshield is cracked. Yeah, a friend of mine had one of these and loved it. Used to take it out in the streets of Oklahoma City at night and go racing with people. Racing with lesser vehicles. But this one, yeah, this is a mess. Ugh. I don't think we can even look in the trunk or anything. It's not going to do anything. And the trunk is already, or the hood is already open. It's starting to rain more, so I'm going to try to knock out at least one more video before it really starts to rain. It's not supposed to today. Here's your damage. Ugh. Whoa. So this part, yeah. Start adding up all of the pieces. All of the pretty expensive pieces. Engine is fine. Ooh, the brake. The booster's fine. This master cylinder is kapooey. She's just been sitting out here, and someone's been poking around in the fuses as well. So someone has tried to do something to her, and she just hasn't responded. So I think that is going to do it for this video right here. But on the other side, you know, on the plus side, she's not bad at all. So that's going to do it for this video. We are back with another one very, very soon. And as always, thank you very much to the people here at IAA. One of the gentlemen stopped by. He kind of checks on the inventory and does what they ask him to do. Super friendly guy. The forklift operators are super friendly. And of course, the ladies up front, I got to tell you, I love them. They are so friendly. But as you can see, it's starting to rain. I got to crank out 2 more videos. So we'll be back soon. All right. Bye-bye.